Hello guys, welcome to my channel SK Code. So in today's video, we are going to learn arrays in Java programming. So let us start our video. So we are just going to type in integer. My first array is equal. Okay, so here is our first array. Our array is of the data type integer, and then the variable is my first array, and here is the integers in our array 1 2 3 4 5. So let us just print it. System dot out dot println open brackets. No, we are not going to write that. And then just semicolon. We are going to type a variable, my first array, and here I just only want my first array. So save and run. So let us see what our result is. Output is, so our output is this. What is this? Okay, so we have been wrong here. Let me just put this, and we put here fourth. So our array's index starts from 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is at the fourth 5 number, so it will print 5. Save, run. See, it printed 5. If we want to print all, so we are just going to make one more integer, but it will not be an array. Integer I is equal to, it will be equal to 0. Okay, then we are going to start a while loop. While I it's less than 5 till the time. Just let me push this statement, copy here, and here will come, I put I, and I'll just put here I plus plus. Let us see, does our program work? Let me see. The output is coming. Yes, it works. 1 2 3 4 5. So what has happened here? Here we have created an array of the data type integer. Its variable name is my first array, and it is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, these integers. Then we made another integer which is not an array, data type integer, variable I, which value is 0, because index starts from 0 to 4 in this integers. Then I just made a while loop. I is less than or equal to 5, because 5 is not here. If we had done less than or equal to, it will just throw an error, that out of bound exception. See, array index out of bounds exception, because there is no 5. If you put 6 here, then it will not throw an error. It will show till 6. Then we say, put a statement system.out.println my first array, and this I integer, and I plus plus. Though this in this index, I is the index, and it has the value of first 0, it will print 1, then I plus plus 2, I plus plus 3, and so on. So if you have liked my video, please like it, share and subscribe my channel. For now, bye.